Are you sick of having your electric trimmer go off in your bag?
Do you want to die?
Is the Gillette Styler the best electric trimmer for minimalist full-time travelers on the market today? Or are you better off sticking with a full-size electric trimmer or buying the Phillips OneBlade instead? I've used all three for the past 1,083 days, traveling full-time on my motorcycle. I'm Clint James. I'm riding 1 million kilometers around the world solo. It's the longest motorcycle journey in human history. There are three big reasons why you'll regret buying this trimmer. Problem one, it takes a AA battery. I actually think the number one thing everyone complains about with this trimmer is actually the trimmer's secret superpower. And I'll show you why in just a moment. There are videos online claiming this trimmer can be expensive because you have to pay for the AA batteries and you can't just charge this trimmer the way you might other electric trimmers. But I can get AA batteries for 50 cents each, or you can just borrow them from the remote in the hotel lobby. Got some more AA batteries from downstairs. I think this is when you know you're an official Latino. 8 p.m. right now. And a single battery will last me 2 months, shaving a couple times every week. So per year, it comes out to be about $6. $6 times 10 years is 60 bucks. And if you're concerned about spending too much money on batteries, you can buy a battery charger online for about 15 bucks. Problem number two, the small trimmer head size. It's about the same width of a small Bic lighter. It can do everything my full-size electric trimmer can do, but there's a power and efficiency that comes with having a full-size trimmer that the Gillette Styler gets close to, but never quite achieves. I do miss my full-size electric trimmer when I grow out a beard, if I need to make my neckline, or even lining up my mustache. Problem number three, it's not really a 4-in-1. It's more of a 1-in-1. I have read that some people online use these guides, but if you break one of these guards, Gillette doesn't sell any one-off replacements, and it doesn't seem like AliExpress or any cheap Chinese site sell these plastic guards either. So if you do want a guard and you broke one, you might have to buy the entire razor over again. But I don't use these guards anyway. The attachment razor head is all right. I do feel when I attach the razor head to the trimmer head, I lose some leverage. It feels a little bit like you're trying to shave with a back scratcher, but it is still better than some of the cheap disposable razors that I bought in the past. You can also just hold the razor in your hand and shave like this, which can work all right in a pinch. Now, why is this trimmer my go-to trimmer when I'm on the road? One, it doesn't go off in your bag. My full-size trimmer would constantly go off in my bag. If this has ever happened to you, you know how frustrating it can be. On the off chance it does go off in your bag, you can always pocket the battery and put it back in when you arrive at your destination for the night. Number two, it's compact and light. When you're breaking your side case attachments and you're having to get them re-welded every few months because you're just covering such roads with a lot of weight, every ounce counts. This is pretty much everything I own. The Gillette Styler is 4 ounces, which is half the weight of my full-size trimmer, which I also needed to carry a protective case for because it'd always go off in my bag. There was no travel lock mode, and I had to carry a separate charger cable specific to the trimmer itself. Switching trimmers literally shaved a pound off my gear. Number three, it's built to last. There are no cords that you can f up. You don't need any outlet adapters. There are no fragile parts excluding the plastic heads, which I can easily live without. Now, why don't I use the Phillips OneBlade, which I also own? I never felt like the OneBlade had enough oomph. It felt like it took forever to shave my arm hair or shave around my neck, and I would never use it again on my... That is a mistake that you do not need to make twice. With the Gillette Styler, I don't have any of those problems. The trimmer is waterproof, which is a bonus if you like to shave in the shower. My only problem with the Gillette Styler is sometimes the motor's build quality is inconsistent. There are people online who have had this trimmer last 10 plus years. However, the first trimmer I got lasted only a few months before I needed to replace it. However, Gillette's customer service, in my experience, is stellar. I called them within like 10 seconds, someone picked up on the other line. I didn't have to provide proof of purchase, and they will attempt to send you a coupon for you to buy a new Gillette Styler or a similar trimmer. What you can also do,
send you a prepaid card.
You can just ask them for a debit card with the value on it. So then if you're in Paraguay, like I am, you can just buy a new Gillette trimmer, but I fucking love my Gillette trimmer. The trimmer just works the way you expect it to work. It has absolutely earned its place in my travel bag.